How to turn $25 into $4,000.
The goal of this video is to give you step-by-step instructions on how to get paid $4,000 over and over again. This system is called 25-2 Life. 25-2 Life is a people helping people leveraging program, where like-minded people come together to leverage a small $25 into $4,000. There are three main things you will learn. You will learn how to leverage $25 into $4,000. You will learn about the 2x2 matrix. You will learn how to gift it forward, to help you get to the $4,000. Let's get started. Step number 1. Get registered by filling out the 25-2 Life registration form. You will be given a link. Click on the link and register to get access to back office. Log in by entering your username, your password and click Login. You will enter your back office. The first time you enter back office you will see a bright red bar. Alert! Please send the technology fee. Click here for details. Step number 2. You will need to make a one-time technology fee of $10 to use back office for life. Once you pay the technology fee, the red bar will disappear. The system will direct you to who to send the $25 to. The $25 may go to your direct sponsor or someone in your upline. Step number 3. You will need to send $25 to someone in your upline. Step number 4. Understanding the levels and how it works. When you are in the back office, go to the menu to the left. You will see the tab called Levels. Click on it, you will see that there are 4 levels. There are 4 levels, with 4 different entry points. $25, $75, $275 and $1,000. Now when you click on Level 1, the matrix will open to show the spot that has been filled. Image from back office. This is the image you will see when you click on Level 1 after you paid your $25. Each blue rectangle represents a position, with sponsor on top. A 2x2 matrix is set up like this. As you sponsor people to participate, you can only have 2 people directly under you. Those 2 people can only have 2 people directly under them, which will be 4 people on the second level. There are only 6 spots in a 2x2 matrix. There are 2 spots in the matrix level 1 and 4 spots in level 2 of the matrix. 6 spots, with you on top as a sponsor. Step number 5. How to leverage the $25. Everyone that participate in this program will pay into each of the 4 levels, starting with level 1. The system will tell you how to send the $25 and who to send it to. Each of the spots must be filled by people that are participating, by them paying $25 into level 1. When you pay the $25, you are paying into the first of the 4 levels. You and 5 other people must pay to fill level 1. Once the matrix has been filled, the 2 spots in level 1 of the matrix will be paid to someone in your upline. The 4 spots in level 2 of the matrix will be paid to you. Four times 25 equals $100 will be paid to you.
Level 1, complete.
You will make $100 for completing level 1. Now it's time to move up to level 2. How to move to level 2? To move to level 2 you must pay $75 in order to open level 2 matrix. Pay $75 to enter level 2. Level 2 matrix look just like level 1. The only difference is level 1 pay-in is $25 and level 2 is $75. Just like in level 1. When you pay the $75 you are paying to get into level 2. The top 2 spots is paid out to someone in your upline. The 4 spots in level 2 is paid to you. To move to level 3, you will keep $25 and re-enter $275. You will repeat the process to enter level 4. To move to level 4, you will keep $100 and re-enter $1,000. When you pay $1,000 into the 4th matrix and all 6 spots are filled, your $4,000 will be sent to you. An excerpt from Eric Carton video explain.
Because I want to show you guys, I'm going to show you guys how the levels works, and then I'm going to show you my sent gifts and receive gifts. That way everything can come to light for you, okay? So let's do this. So let's go to the levels. Let's talk about level 1. On level 1, when you start to build your team, you're going to receive a total of 4 payments of $25, okay? 4 payments of $25, which is a total of $100. Okay, so what happens out of that $100, the system is going to tell you, you need to send $75 to whoever it is. The system is going to tell you that. Remember, it's automated. Now, when you send your gift, you're going to be able to click on the details on how that person wants to receive their gift. So you still have to send the gift manually. So because the people are going to have how they want to receive their gifts or their payments. Okay, so keep that in mind. Sending the gift is not automated. You still have to send that manually, but you have to send it to the payment instruments that person has chosen to receive their gifts. Okay, the system is just going to tell you who to send it to. It's still powerful, guys. Okay, now when you advance to level 2, you're going to receive 4 payments of $75, which is a total of $300. Okay, so out of that $300, the system is going to be notified and say, hey, you need to send $275 to that person. Now, the system is going to tell you again who to send that $275 to. Okay? Now, you moved on to level 3. When you get to level 3, you're going to receive 4 payments of $275. Just like you're sending the gifts, people are going to be sending you gifts as well. Okay? So now you're going to receive 4 payments of $275, which is a total of $1,100, $1,100. Okay, the system is going to notify you again. They're going to say, Eric, you need to send $1,000 to the person where the system tells you to send it to. Okay, let's keep going. Now you're at level 4. Congratulations. Okay, here's what's going to happen. Now on level 4, you're going to receive 4 payments of $1,000. The system is quiet now because you know why? You get to keep that $4,000.